Hi, I'm Aiden from ViPR Publishing. Here, we focus on calm, practical conversations about AI in everyday life. When people talk about using AI effectively, they usually focus on tools, features, and technical skills. What often gets overlooked is something much more human: your emotional state when you're using it. And that matters more than most people realize. If you approach AI feeling rushed, frustrated, or uncertain, that tends to show up in the way you ask questions. Instructions become vague, context gets skipped, and the results feel disappointing or unhelpful. On the other hand, when you slow down and get clear about what you actually want, AI responses tend to improve. Not because the technology changed, but because your input did. Using AI well isn't just about knowing what to ask. It's about knowing why you're asking. Are you looking for clarity, reassurance, options, a starting point? Those emotional signals shape how you frame your requests, even if you don't notice it happening. This is one reason AI can feel unpredictable to beginners. They assume the system is inconsistent, when in reality their own mindset is shifting from one moment to the next. A simple habit can help. Before using AI, pause for a moment and ask yourself what kind of help you actually want. Not the perfect answer, just the kind of support that would be useful right now. That small pause often leads to clearer questions, better results, and a more confident experience overall. AI works best when it supports human thinking, not when it replaces it. And that support starts with awareness of your goals, your expectations, and your emotional state. If you're looking for more calm, practical guidance on AI, you'll find more videos like this right here and in the links below.